Eat these two breads daily to help support joint comfort naturally. Many adults living with joint discomfort automatically assume that all bread is bad for their health. Because bread is often associated with processed carbohydrates and blood sugar spikes, it has developed a negative reputation among people trying to support healthier joints and reduce inflammation naturally. However, not all breads are created equal. Some highly processed breads contain refined flour, added sugars, preservatives, and ingredients that may contribute to blood sugar fluctuations and poor dietary quality. On the other hand, certain traditional breads contain fiber, beneficial nutrients, and fermentation-related compounds that may fit better into an anti-inflammatory lifestyle. As people get older, maintaining joint comfort becomes increasingly important. Stiffness, reduced mobility, and everyday aches may affect quality of life and make simple daily activities more challenging. Today, we'll explore two types of bread that continue attracting attention because of their nutritional profile and their potential role in supporting healthier eating patterns that may benefit overall joint wellness. Understanding the connection between inflammation and joint health. Many forms of joint discomfort are linked to inflammation. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or stress. In the short term, it helps protect and repair tissues. However, when inflammation remains elevated for long periods, it may contribute to discomfort, stiffness, and reduced flexibility. Diet is only one factor influencing inflammation. Sleep quality, stress levels, physical activity, body weight, hydration, and overall lifestyle habits also play important roles. Because food affects many systems throughout the body, choosing nutrient-rich foods may help support overall wellness and healthier aging. This is one reason researchers continue studying dietary patterns that emphasize fiber-rich foods, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and minimally processed ingredients. Number 1. Sourdough bread. Sourdough bread has been enjoyed for thousands of years and remains one of the most traditional forms of bread making. Unlike many commercial breads, sourdough is created through a natural fermentation process involving beneficial microorganisms. This slow fermentation helps develop the bread's unique flavor and texture. Many people find sourdough easier to digest compared to highly processed breads. Researchers continue studying how fermentation may influence digestion and nutrient availability. The fermentation process may also affect how the body responds to certain carbohydrates. Because blood sugar balance plays an important role in overall metabolic health, many adults appreciate foods that fit into a more balanced dietary pattern. Sourdough bread may also contain beneficial compounds produced during fermentation that contribute to its growing popularity among health-conscious consumers. When combined with nutritious meals rich in vegetables, healthy proteins, and healthy fats, sourdough bread may become part of a balanced approach to healthier eating. Number 2. Whole grain rye bread. Whole grain rye bread is another traditional bread that has attracted attention because of its impressive nutritional profile. Unlike highly refined white bread, whole grain rye retains more of the grain's natural fiber and nutrients. Fiber plays an important role in digestive health, blood sugar regulation, and feelings of fullness after meals. Many researchers continue exploring how higher fiber diets may support overall wellness and healthy aging. Whole grain rye bread also contains beneficial plant compounds and nutrients that contribute to its reputation as a healthier bread choice. Because digestive health, blood sugar balance, and weight management are all connected to overall wellness, many adults choose whole grain rye bread as part of a more nutrient-dense eating pattern. The goal is not to rely on one food as a miracle solution, but rather to build healthier habits that support the entire body. Why blood sugar balance matters for joint comfort. Many people do not realize that blood sugar balance may influence inflammation throughout the body. Frequent spikes and crashes in blood sugar may contribute to metabolic stress over time. This is one reason many health experts encourage choosing foods rich in fiber and nutrients while limiting highly processed products. Both sourdough bread and whole grain rye bread may fit better into balanced eating plans compared to heavily refined bread products. Supporting healthier blood sugar levels may contribute to overall wellness and may indirectly support healthier joints as part of a broader, healthy lifestyle. A simple anti-inflammatory breakfast idea. Many adults enjoy combining these breads with other nutrient-rich foods to create a balanced meal. A simple breakfast may include one slice of sourdough bread topped with avocado and a boiled egg. Another option is whole grain rye bread served with natural yogurt and fresh vegetables. These combinations provide fiber, protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that may help support overall wellness and satiety throughout the morning. Balanced meals often help reduce reliance on highly processed snacks later in the day. Other habits that may support joint health. While food choices matter, healthier joints usually depend on multiple factors working together. Regular movement helps maintain flexibility and muscle strength around the joints. Adequate hydration supports many processes throughout the body. Quality sleep allows the body to recover and repair itself. Managing stress may also play an important role because chronic stress can contribute to inflammation over time. The body often responds best when several supportive habits work together consistently. Although sourdough bread and whole grain rye bread contain beneficial nutrients, they are not cures for arthritis or chronic joint conditions. Persistent joint pain, swelling, stiffness, or reduced mobility should always be discussed with a healthcare professional. Foods work best as part of an overall healthy lifestyle rather than miracle solutions. Many people assume all bread is harmful for joint health, but certain traditional breads may fit well into healthier eating patterns. Sourdough bread and whole grain rye bread continue attracting attention because of their fiber content, fermentation-related benefits, and nutrient profile. When combined with balanced meals, regular activity, quality sleep, and other healthy habits, these breads may help support overall wellness and healthier aging. Sometimes better health begins not by eliminating every food, but by choosing smarter versions of the foods we already enjoy.